Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have put stickers on the mower. I know it says Doc's Diesel. There may or may not be a sponsor. Who knows? I can't say. But got that right there. And on this side, a slightly different sticker. There's still glue residue, as you can see, along here, but like I'll clean that. It'll come off over time as I wash it. And yes, this needs to be placed majorly. What I've decided for this red mower, right, Clifford, it's going to be a competition mower, okay? The turbo, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. I might take that off, actually. We'll get tractor tires, plan for this one is to make it like not a tug of war mower, well, maybe a tug of war mower, but more of a, let's say more of a competition mower, sort of like a racing mower, I guess. It's not gonna get lowered or anything, but it is going to be for, like, who can pull the trailer faster around a certain, whatever, who can go the slow, just little competitions and stuff. This is going to be used for that. The hitch, it's disgustingly ugly. Yes, these are these bed rails right here that I welded up are to reinforce the axle, because the last mower I had, well, I kind of curled the frame up, so this right in here just curled that way from doing wheelies. So yeah. Let's see. This hitch is perfect for pulling stuff, but this needs to be cleaned up. This, I'm gonna take this off, right here, this and this, just cut it off. But like, this hitch is perfect, but I want to make this look better, so I'm gonna like get some pieces of metal, and I'm just gonna kind of make this like a big block of steel right here. And then this one right here, this piece of metal and this, I'm taking that off. I'm gonna do a better I'm just gonna take it off here. This actually reinforces this well from sagging, so I'm gonna pull this one off from like here up. This is getting cut off, and then, because this works perfect for like clevis. And then it also, let me take this out real quick if it will. Threads are a little rough. It's been used a lot. And then take this hitch pin, which fits perfectly in that, goes in here, goes in that thing, and then boom. You can pull a trailer. Then, oh man, tug of war. Going to do a tug of war? Here you go. Let's do this quickly. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Boom. I never go down fully. It binds up, and I had to use I think it was like a wrench or something to get that off, surprisingly. No, a pair of pliers. But, yeah. So, that's what my plan is for this mower. When it comes to the actual engine, I've turned the RPMs up already. But as you can see, this thing's broken. The internals in here are just snapped off. Yeah. I need to order a new one of these. I was using this to move this because it was broke. So, need a new one of those. Need a seat or a seat cover, or make a custom seat. That's actually what I'm going to do. I'm going to take one of the big shovels, the big ones, the scoop shovels. I'm going to cut the handle off and mount it under this bracket and get rid of this whole thing. So, need a new seat. There's little things I want to do, like I want to hit this frame again with some paint. I want to repaint the frame. You know, paint like this thing sticking out, if I'm going to keep the turbo. I need to repaint the front axle in gray. Tie rods need to be replaced. The engine I want to paint in gray. I want to use this deck height thing for something useful other than just sitting there. And I need to make a new hitch. Let's see. We need tractor tires. Let's see. There's something else I wanted to do. Oh yeah, the steering system it works fine. But like, I've literally got a rag holding the tie rod onto this, because look here, it is so wore out, it literally will pop off. That needs to be replaced, obviously. And then I need to build a good tow hook on the front so I can actually like hook onto the thing if I need to. This exhaust, the turbo, it actually whistles and stuff. It kind of spools, sort of. But it's not running to the engine. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the turbo off. Keep the exhaust, but take the turbo off. Maybe I'll put the turbo on the 260 and actually put it on there and actually hook it up with oil hoses and all that. You know, because right now I just packed this bearing as full as I could, and I just change it out like every 5 hours, 10 hours. It does have underglow currently. So obviously, yeah, it is a hydrostatic, which I don't really like too much, but it is kind of nice for being able to ease the throttle in a tug-of-war situation. Like, I just want to pull this stupid tab off. That needs pliers for that. This tire flat, so I need to get new tires. But for now, I just need a valve stem for this wheel, because the tube is no longer good, and I don't really need to tube the tire. So I'm just going to put a valve stem in it, call it good, throw another turf tire on there, because I got 2 more turf tires. Might as well replace it with a new turf tire. So, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Let's see. Oh, I'm going to take these off and replace the pliers with an actual like handle. And I'm going to paint this one black for the cruise control, which is not hooked up. This right here for engaging the mower deck. I don't know, I might put a toggle there or something. Yeah, this needs to be replaced. I already said that. Yeah, that's all I can think of. If y'all can think of anything else, let me know, and I'll do it.